Hello everybody, my name is Amber Devon and today I will be presenting on technology for professional development for student affairs professionals. So I wanted to focus on some social medias that are very important and that are utilized in our field every single day. And so Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat and YouTube, as well as TikTok. Those are our 5 main sources of the social media that you can use hashtags to connect with other student affairs professionals as well as students, provide advice and, put those messages out there to, healthy, positive messages out there to promote good things about student affairs and universities and really understand and connect with the audience, as well as sharing relative information about programming at universities and emergency issues that happen. If we want to get something out like, hey guys, stay away from this area, it's not safe right now, that's something that you can put on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat, because these are things that are being updated regularly, and people are checking them regularly, as well as massive open online courses. So what are they? They are ways for us to be able to bring education to everybody's doorstep. It's a way for us to connect as well as learn and understand some different things as far as like teaching and learning some courses and things of that nature. And how can we use this as student affairs professionals? As student affairs professionals, when it comes to conferences and other things of professional development needed for different services and trying to just sharpen our skills for our toolbox, this is very important for us. These are very important for us. And so there are some blogs that I feel are really great vlogs for professional development. So Higher Ed Mashup, ProfHaffer, University, oh my goodness, US Today Education, and Wired Education, NFASA, Association of International Educators, are all different blogs that allow us to connect to one another. They are teaching us about different outside the box educational resources that we are able to understand, updating us on what's going on in the world of education in our field and things of that nature. These are some really great blogs that teach you, some different things, they have some quick stories, so you're able to read them, so that way you can get as much information on the go as you can, and then they have some long information, so that way you are able to really educate yourself on some things. And these are my references. So thank you so much for listening. You guys have a great day.